This is not a review of the Blue Spruce coping saw, but just a quick demonstration of what it does and what makes it a little different. For one thing, you can rotate the blade in 8 different positions. To do that, it's very simple. You just take these two knurled wheels, rotate them counterclockwise to loosen, move the handle, move the body of the tool to the position you want it to be, tighten up the wheels, give it a little jiggle because sometimes you may not hit one of those 8, but I did, and you're all set with the blade in a different position. Now, if you want it to free rotate, to free scroll while still under tension, again, all you have to do is counterclockwise loosen these things up, and it free scrolls completely like a scroll saw while the blade is still under tension. Now, to loosen the blade, replace the blade, change the tension of the blade, all you do, again, tighten these up, this time clockwise, counterclockwise, oops, with the handle, and again, you can replace the blade or what have you. Tighten up the handle, you're back in business.